Hello everyone. Today we're unboxing the art supplies from Bluebird. Let's open it. Today we received the different items of art materials. Basically these are varnishes and gold foil leaves, which gives a very good quality of Bluebird. Here is a Bluebird gum solution, gum Arabic solution, clear coat, and this is varnish, gloss varnish and leafing glue, my favorite ever leafing glue. This is mica powder of golden shade and gold foil leaves. Thanks a lot to Bluebird. Connected me for more excited videos. Please hit subscribe.